I was waiting for the fielder to get across and pick it up, but it's not a chance.
Lovely shot. Didn't try and hit it too hard. Oh, that's cracked off the back foot. Nice. Lovely shot. This time off the front foot.
Beautiful. Quite beautiful.
Take that. What a way to break the neck.
Beautiful shot. The balance is exquisite.
There's Sachin on the front foot. That's a different length. And it's got... Lovely shot. That's a classic. What a way to get to... Smack. And the man is back, Ashwar Prince, and he didn't have far.
Wonderful stroke, which makes for a lot of good cricket. Whilst he's playing like that, makes for brilliant cricket. Four.
Oh, lovely shot. The mark.